Among our Canadian favorite recipes this Friday, I have Nanaimo Bars for you all. Hello and welcome back to J&J's Food Basket. Nanaimo Bars, named after my neighboring Canadian city, is a truly yummy no-bake dessert. For these recipes, you will find the list of ingredients along with links to where I picked mine in the description box below. The Nanaimo Bar is a bar dessert that requires no baking and is named after the city of Nanaimo in British Columbia. It consists of 3 layers, a wafer, nut and coconut crumb base, custard icing in the middle, and a layer of chocolate ganache on top. So, that was another quick video taking you step by step through easy and very tasty recipes using ingredients available in your own kitchen. Do try it out. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to J&J's Food Basket. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest at JNJS Food Basket. Have a great weekend ahead.